Alright y'all, so today we're going to be doing something real simple and easy summer dessert. We are doing a summer berry icebox cake. For this we got some cream cheese, we got some Cool Whip, we got some instant pudding, vanilla, some graham crackers, milk, and for our berries, and you can use what berries you want. This is my collection of berries and there's really no measurements. You use as many as or little as you want. I have blueberries, blackberries, raspberries, and strawberries. Like I said, you can mix this up if you like. But before we get to cooking, we are on the road to 1,000 subscribers. So if you want to learn a new recipe every week, go ahead, hit that subscribe button, and let's get to cooking. Alright y'all, so we're going to start with 8 ounces of cream cheese that I have let soften. I'm going to go ahead and get that creamed up real quick. Now we're going to take 2 small boxes of instant vanilla pudding. We're going to start getting that mixed into our... Now we need 2.5 cups of milk. We're going to add about half, mix that in, then mix in the other half. Now we're going to take 12 ounces of Cool Whip. Feel free to make your own if you want, but like I said, we're just trying to keep this as a simple summer dish. Go ahead and get that mixed in real quick. Now we're going to grab our 13 by 11. Then we're going to take our graham crackers. Hopefully yours are in better shape than mine apparently. Now we're going to take and layer a little bit of this on. About 1/3 of it. And we're going to throw some strawberry slices on this. As many or as little as you would like. Then we're going to take some of our raspberries, sprinkle them on. Same thing with the blackberries, sprinkle some of them on. And same thing with the blueberries, sprinkle some of them on. I'm going to throw another layer of graham crackers on. Then we're just going to rinse and repeat. Now we're going to try to top in a 3rd and final layer without making a mess. Might have used a little too much fruit in those first 2 layers, but... We're going to go ahead and put the rest of our cream cheese pudding mix. And I made this to be a thinner layer. Just want to lightly coat everything. We're going to top this with just a little bit more of our fruit. And now we're going to sit this in the fridge for at least 4 hours. I'm actually going to throw mine in there overnight. Let this set up, and then I'll bring you back. Alright y'all, so it's the next day. Our icebox cake is set up. Now I just got to cut it up and serve it. It's an amazing dessert. If you want, have it for some breakfast. But if you like this video, go ahead and hit that like and subscribe button down below. There's a video where YouTube thinks you should watch. And until next time, keep on cooking on.